Guys, we got some beautiful bone-in New York strip steaks that we're gonna throw in the Ninja Foodi Grill. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, hit that red subscribe button, the bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing. All right, so what are we doing here today? Guys, I found a great deal on some beautiful bone-in New York strip, USDA choice, beautiful, lovely, thick steaks. We're gonna put them in the Ninja Foodi Grill. I got 3 decent sized steaks, and I'm gonna try to put them all on the grill. So this will be the true test of the sides of the grill. These are some healthy steaks, okay? So what we're using as seasoning on these steaks is the shiitake seasoning rub from Fire and Smoke Barbecue. Guys, I'll put a link down below for Fire and Smoke Barbecue so you guys can get some of the seasoning, but it's got this great shiitake, umami, peppery, garlic, salty, it's all these great flavors that kind of hit you back here. Really good flavors, perfect for steak, okay? So it's a real simple, easy cook. This shouldn't be too long of a video. It's not overcomplicated. I'm gonna cook mine to about 125, 130. I like more of a medium rare steak, but you guys can cook yours how you want. I know that 4 or 5 minutes each side will get where I need to be. I'm gonna use my ThermoPro instant read thermometer. I'll check the temperatures as we go. The good thing about the Ninja Foodi Grill is you could lift the lid and check on your steaks or whatever you're cooking, right? So easy as can be, not putting a lot into this one. You see me season it up already. It's been chilling for about an hour with that seasoning on there, kind of sweating down a little bit, letting those flavors penetrate. Guys, it's just that easy. All right, let's get on the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're gonna get this thing set up. Let's turn it on, get it preheating. Grill high, 500 degrees, hit start. Come on back and we'll get these steaks in. All right, guys, let's get these steaks in there. Whew. It's hot, dude, it's hot. It's hot, yeah. That did not sound right. Oh yeah, there's our sizzle. There's that sizzle. Alright, we're putting 3 massive steaks in here. Alright, so we're only getting 2 steaks in there. I know we have 3 ready to go, but these are really big, thick, big old boys, all right? So we have to do this in shifts. It is what it is. We're feeding the family tonight with these steaks. So 2 at a time in this one with these steaks, but it's all right. No big deal. No big deal, all right? It's 10 minutes cooking time, more or less, so it really isn't that big of a deal. We'll throw the other one in when we're done. All right, come on back. All right, we're at 5 minutes. Let's check the temp. 92, 91. This one's a little skinnier. 80s. All right, so I think another 5 minutes and we'll be good to go on these. Oh, look at those sear marks. Woo! I'm gonna turn them a little bit. Get them on the hotter parts. So we've used that heat process. We used that side heat process. Now let's put them on the ends, right? And then we have new grilling opportunities. All right, next 5 minutes we should be done. Let's see how these are temping out. Got 127, about perfect to me. Ooh, a little too far in. 140. That's a bit more than I wanted, but we're gonna take these out, let them rest on the cutting board. Ooh, good Lord. Look at that. Not bad. Ooh, juices everywhere. All right, we're gonna let these rest on the cutting board. All right, come on back and we'll slice into these as they get rested. Guys, it's time to cut into these steaks. That's not a knife, that's a knife. That's my worst Australian accent you'll ever hear. All right, I've let these rest for quite a bit. You know, it says they're bone in, but that bone is skimpy, to say the least. All right. Let's look at our temperature in there. That's some good flavor for sure. This one looks like a little bit overdone, a little more medium than I prefer, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Yeah, it's medium, not bad. All right, guys. You know, I did a quick cutaway on that one. I wanted to get it all fancied up for the thumbnail, which you clicked on to watch this bad boy. So now it's time for the taste test. So I'm gonna take this knife right here, cut a nice little nugget out of there. Look at that. Oh, that look good. Look at that. That's very good. Very good. Man, that was tasty as can be. Easy to do. Turned out a little bit more medium than I like. I'm more of a medium rare. So cut it off about a minute before, so 9 minutes maybe, and we would have been solid on this one, easy. All right, that's it, guys. I'm gonna get that other steak in here, finish up dinner. It's gonna be a good one. If you guys want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, hit the link down below. If you want to get yourself some Cooking with CJ merch, it's down below too. Anything and everything I use on my videos is down below for Amazon affiliate links. You don't pay any extra for them, but a little bit goes to the channel, helps us out. If you want to become a show producer, click this link right here, and you get to be a part of CJ's crew for real. All right, that's it, boys and girls. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.